Odi sa baby.
I'm not say. I'm a few papa years. A box one. I took money even and I give it to you. If you don't mind. So, a job, attention TV, Yabedu. Na sabri ni ame kan se odi for kwese ntwe metrasia na no se ensam ena eba we ye kanwadwen bre eso ene yetie na ye be kan se ne akan adwen akan se ye kan adwen akan se a ye nya atemidie kwan so bibi nkoye na bibi koyia ye kan ankoye so a ye be kan sabri jibre na to bo asida pansuo bisi o TV no ho na be na mo na ame kan se asamba kwa meta kan se orofo so wo do attention TV na opemu nyama yeye na opemu nyunyam dia ni ame kan se me pa cho ti ase se ni a wo ye bia wo be ja no betena se na mo va wo data enhwe so kese se me camera ge ya ni ba bia so swin wo de kohwepe asema to wo be yare wo de kohwepe asem ebeto because o hwe me camera lady na pa no gina wa se nyame ya adum na nka ye dane camera ne to so na hu a anka ebeji wonsam but osuma fo de koponya nkopon ne tuminti odi fa kwa se timi transia na eyesam ne nsam denti ne aburu ni pa dwen ne ntiase so ana akwasi atwi me transia me ma chechire mu ya bibi mu ne ya hwehwem ne yum ba nukranye ene ne kura ba bi eda no sana otwadi amponya nkopon aye sa na me kan message bre na transe na bebrebe nyina nipa ebo machi dom no so ya sen na eye Queen Foundation na ekunafo nie Queen Mia na ekunafo nie be pato wo bro chire wo ba bi biara wo hwe odifo akose ntwe ya transe kan dwembre enia me pato sabri na me pasa me ka chiro nyina tami mu eba megina eye Queen oni ekunafo ne hiafo ne mobro hu on da kwanten street no ena omo owo ye omadoye no osobu mu bia be pesa ba hwe Queen nama na wo de Queen ade edi sawoso na wakache Queen se Queen me pesa me be kan wo foundation no Queen de onsam no atoto wa asese we fra Queen e wo nama wesu 0548 3029 85 me pato 0548 3029 85 fra Queen na woni ni sawoso na bisa Queen na me pato enche ye maami fo bia ekunafo enyum ebane sebe enyum paatia me pato ye maami amoteso enche odifo akwase antwi Queen atonsa afromo se omommra na odifo panyum odifo soso ete adoyase na Queen soso ba be omadoye ne maami fo bi wa brucha be so Queen mu na ye be sa na wodi obehu eye life in college na se nyum ne koso a awurade nyame beji wonsam osu tumi ni osu ahode enka na tase emfa wo data kwahweto kase wo data kwahweto kase ampato ebeji wonsam na adi woni so because data wo de hweto kase woni so bimpim ICTV a enya problem sabi wo se di format tase ma benje bre na mi ntwa me ho na me nkomra na me koba na makwaje me guest na me lava beras abasaka sini atumi ya wode masamba ba na be baya anye wusebo di fo kwesi atwi kan ni bre so ne na enye se meni odifo bi keke na atrase onyame di fo nwosra won so tumi ya adwuma wo kyera bi magana fo timi fa na gana fo so fa bia wodi mu ntitimba ne nsam matasitase mu papa ni nyanse wo mu no wo mu fa no mo de bo oman Ghana na nyo bia ne se mianka sama memma odifo prophet 99 akwaba prophet oyami shaw no nya we okase no akwaba kase pa wukyerem ti se abo bi friend akko wukyerem ti se akko ohwan efe masunsum no ensane na afei metiefo na do fun se prophet ya ma akwaba e wa test TV so
ya me so ekran mo ya me shira
beda se
medical chair na asante ye no tumfo so to the second asante mara me pa boss ba le ma ni che
thank you
na me chia o
thank you
chia principal ni Kofi Boakye
thank you
me san chia Kofata Botos abuso kan na ma chia papa despite chia to bank sem
medas
yo
medas
yango ya sem so
medas Bishop Prophet 99 am say mama chia computer man ba be obia one say me na kase statement chia bra pani enyafe bra pani generation support owo Obrogo Manchester papa nyame enhyirawo na oye wokese no ma wani nyama abura adwene ntiase so orifo ye chomemu na ye papa ona mo kan e Japan be ma simprimu be mo kasa Ghana for di tum na obeye expose na kwagua nan 23 wa wotane nchemu na ye papa ona mo kan de Japan tiemu a na 23 wa so tane ntu ama asofo bi aso bi abegugu ensori bi abadiegu ama nyama bebre abasisi na nyama asisi no yewie ya ye papa ona bu Canada Japan odi kan etu anamo e wusi wakopie papa ya papa jensa grabras expose ni koso kwa fire no obechena akechre no enya se o chere professional way onu kikana akechre no professional way na professional way no so woni mse sitia ona bo Canada Japan transfer cancer professional way a ebi wa kan professional way otimi fire akọ fire aden satu obi ni so efi obi ni so no ene saba Kristo sumo na nkasa no ya papa Canada Japan wa pepa firimu wa pepa ni nyama wo mu no age se ye nyame nsa wa so a ohun ye mobo no ena ma yetumi ye detwema na affect asofu bebre e manage gezi so bufu ye e ma na be kansam e ma na be ye tiese ya papa prophet the seer owusu bempa etimi aye reconciliation na ya papa honorable Canada Japan free aye agnesare property so no ya wo say reconciliation enso so abeye tuma na media misusu say Japan no na wadu no ho ana wo hu Kristo ana waji onu nyame dada ana obeye fire ana no the back the TV station maneko tetia so na yenko
bida wase am say issue we share near a course or hunemu over 2 years ago ni na medira soon se beka no soon asem ka na papa Canada Japan na ne afra e wo hunemu
ona kan sa
soon ni soon ani because we share the platform now ekitano no the platform is too high. Na
too high said the sika na eyen sana say
the platform was wrong.
TV station. Na say yen kwa o TV.
On say ono no akoya obi ti say oye politician. Eti eya na ne kasemo no ne neye no. Eya na say no man no aso eben the TV station no. Yeah, most of the 70% no maso ben the TV station.
Yeah.
But maybe I can say susum so nim susum eni so say asem start say eboba no
yeah
no ni obi nim na anya issue
no obi nim na anya issue yanko
thank you so no obi nim nya issue no edu baby no no show obi nim ni evidence I say pictures ni o documents na o show no na da no say obi nim hu evidence o dey yet side no thank you me ni obi nim the senior man mental but Emma ni obi ni sem ki kan bia e wonya badwuma mu no na etwa yi
so for so bodium wo ni obi nim
there be na obi nim yes sanity
me pato tv eye your time me dem gitu say your time because one say reconciliation na yakoye no ono kan Japan so tu na ono onko bi ni maso you eye nipa ni free what the buy e na kasa do so fum so pam da ntibi mu say e your take o tenhunu
tie baby ameka say nya o time say o say o share me obi ni metaforo ne pa o share o preach ya na o ma prophecy so that so timeka we di akwala ya wo foforo ni sa say
full evidence
say we hear the platform so
on the platforms and say one bloggers ni pe bia wo di akura o metima for kasa bi e ko si kasa bi
tie me me hu obi nim o won one TV station so me hwe live a o kasa
when you say I cut and paste.
Oh, I can't believe it. I can't believe it.
There be voice you between obi nim voice but me no ko do na obi nim kase mo fa ni pan samra na mo fa nkoye den obi nim be den
I said na on say na me try say the part of the kase bi won ni kase bi won ni maybe o ye na I bra no o chia o baby but ni nyina echi no ni die no e ba wi ye no na e dia sodwa e abre ono akasa obi nim akasa se sie no obi nim o ye macho o no obi ani asem o ye nya majuma thank you yakọ eni na me say o move fi obi nim so no ana boys bi use strategy Manase o use criminal strategy plus format strategy no person to coin it o use na adwen and o di BT o use bempa o use na adwen no di BT Kenegapon because
and you buy say the whole don't pray
Manase
na you know Manase to go BT
o BT no total
Kenegapon
me see o BT Oma anantipen omo ifa to asori won but opambo uni opambo uni mo bofo it is all ka bofo asem say na the show bofo say o timoto so na do aka ne ma di sense no wan no opambo uni mo wan opambo enya na kola no se buruku na ifa to opambo kra na wo enya no fight opambo it uni mo opambo wan ya otimi say opambo so the efumusu na dan oye e ma the members Saadi no mo ye no e ma asofo ne bi e be heti bempa me the secretary make no o be heti bempa because of say time na Manase be connect no na Manase no use strategy format be say Arabs fa be attack no e je ma CD cash eni na Brown o mo no mo di Manase nim e di ne come bempa say boy no the life danger etino ya ba bempa omwa Manase ana bempa yes se me mo dia me die platform where the two no ka asofo bi a omo attack dia ko o ka ba se dem dia ko na se bempa no papa o ye o no omo tu car e guide the ni ko na two e see no one na two na kre Japan e tu ya wo te be mo no no sa fe bempa se o ho te be no sa di e o di na bi na di e no pa broche na akọ
na se Manase oni Ghana
any that time no Ghana
approach you approach
me see that time Manase
enya o se bempa se na di Manase kwa
and me just say that time Manase wa Ghana kenti Manase yes I didn't be no no say Japan dey betu kwan
ana kan afa ne tu kwan ana o se bempa so afa ne tu
o se bempa ne tu kwan
na ba ne tu kwan
I say dey ne Nyankopon ana na yi the ball for man
Honorable Atechi TV na many only for 99 prophet 99 atlase bema o se ene yekeka ensamwa ade ya papa kan ne Japan aye no me ko no horma ko bisa sentinia anamwa ona kan ne Japan atuyi wakọ agenasare puppet so no agenasare o chesa agenasare kwa no so in schoolmate reverend agenasare senior reverend na eba ne tampivi oponsam tawi na ose agenasare ni nom o te be train tampe en tampe de deke no twia na ko oya de nakata ne nim na bra wo gina stage so a oka nyamo ye no ana o chese onyame ehira agenasare efia brochire ebesi Ghana nti nyama agenasare bi etade ona boye o twemu se
honorable sometimes no odwini ni me bi oye no ho a unti ase because say agenasare your classmate e onua a onimo no say school town ni di agro ne bia o kan sem bi fa amamu e wo man Ghana ho na say enye wo hu ni say agina sale ye lisi ni na wo ye mpp ni e ja some kafa amamu no na say entwe yie e ma wa attack agina sale but na ye ko me kwa na menti ase but later no okus da we de ko agina sale o kan say some of the frefits South Africa and as a software no and odi Duncan William agina sale and software bi mrs Akranchi so bi say obo bi say nipa we no no ko nipa na ofre no e say sa software kesi we di ma ono kene Japan say sa go fu we no no panifo we no no omo ya azan omo ya say won but ono so ka kire the host ni say asem bi e be bia na say we den mo follow it is ko fu yo tie obi anu sem enye den e fam ka me use them na papa shi na me betia no platform so no me ni ko fu bi o mo from fita bro chira na nipa na be kuma o mo no Daka William finyame na we finya jina sale finyame na Sakwache mo nyina ma dwe no court na ma dwe no court na wo gane den
so mami say who say Ghana for your problem pa
seriously
Ghana for your problem is set stress ye de bibie no a e wa Ghana kuro we mai
da bi ade bia no wa ye bibi ni bia disa ye bia
ene ya honorable Ken asendom pre MP akọ agina sale aso da mi ebi kura be ka se ona busro ebi oyare kwa sami oyare kwa da abrochire no office asofo no ye bibi ntin watumrika ene wako but in his statement o can place omo ba for into also best omo ton safre
omo invite
aditi ne recommend ya ye de ne ye die ntum ne ye ma onyame adwuma nye for Ghana so enye ni family bebu ya tenyo enye yakopon bebu aten hwade a owusu bempa ayi wetin I reconcile both honorable any Migezi but they want to give the credit to some people who doesn't know anything about it. Me will say state in Igbo Christian Council fire there, and the credit is for Usuba back.
The point is for me in Chawa. The only thing is said 100%. Me the nipa oya there no maka me enye Christian Council for mo na mo frey or is Usuba back. And the frey and only Japan kasai. Because Japan frey ana Usuka che na ja say papa no e be say me say mutem. Ye translate be kan sem na bokutudwe na panechawo. Kutudwe na panechawo. It is sa na ko e. It Usu be mpa only the person wa frɛ na wa ko mabom. It me hu say
na de kanse.
Afasa Usu be mpa e ye adwuma na kasa. Oh jawo mu. Wa kisa kanse boy. Na de na jage zo ye o ma penyina. Kisa kanse fo e be frɛ no. Na je no yo ma penyi.
Ere ma Ghana for ne tie for na for hwet attention TV abroche ne banchi nyina. Ehun se ya reconcile. Ama sumdua ba. Canada Japan. Ene na ji instant them enya Christian kanse bia. Na yemfa credit money credit se no. Yemfa nyonyam money nyonyam se no. Yemma no kure ento ne da. Ne yenka ewa na grabet ahye nyam nyonyam.
Christian kanse fo mo krom ha. Tam na ona
More fire.
Mo yedin mo akasa
More fire.
Baby no emma nyamesum ni nyakopo adwuma no
More fire.
Etikofom ebi ja asori because of one man before because of say attack
General what can one man church and then one man church was Ghana
yeah
and then just one man church
say because o dia
Pentecost ni personality
a group
man
let me can say
CSC asofo sanity CSC
a group
man
neighbor
man is when the team man say makio
see o dia ya woti say wo na woti
Islamic church ni personality
so na woti so na woti thank you they say onya branch bebre a
na so onya wa man church
enya wa man church say spread
ay Ghana for nimdia
yo say bibi ni nyansa no spread ba ba hu kwa wo dia ni di e wa man church
papa mu na tie wa man church no sabe Ghana for mu fan cheme enu kwasem kaka sabo ibet ma mi se nia no krese no sabe ayam ponchiri nwan na begu aso dan ni sa so na say ni wa man church awon so ponchiri nwan na go
tie Pentecost apostolic on say a group
ede ku ahwan na tie aso Pentecost one na tie
na say a group na tie and a group, only a group.
Matamamba,
oh, also. Oh, dear, my uncle, you never say,
I see a woman cry. One man church, maybe so, so one man church,
no, oh, dear, no, one church. No, one church. No, one church. But then, person what Tiasen said, Emma, Yaku point to Mano,
ever talk for very good.
Because maybe Americans are much at the phone, say, yeah, no, my tea, if you Roman, Methodist, Anglican, CSC, Assemblies, and by yang. Yeah, tea Bible, no buy and Jeff Bible. No, but I want to Bible said you. That's not what Bible can. What is that? I mean, a CS product. But some speak about Apostle when they buy. Thank you. You're going to home. Emma is that Gitina or a Bible that doors from. A wood a woman in a ethical form. But the baby go from what D4 Pana. Yeah, sure. Because I'm saying, because we said, we're going to summer, we're going to super cancer. If you are not fat, go and control Quentin, no Yanamaway. I say, on say, on say, on a book in Japan, or you soon the brain. Now, they do bad, we won't say in some night battle. That's all you know because so, or coming in once and now some yellow cry, we took the missing quarter, we do winning. And as I can't say, now some and yellow cry, if it's also bad day, everybody so they said, or giant, and or giant. If you go on and say, the answer. Se me come so na enu kwakra na obeji edi se enu kwe na obeji back for so no ase the panedi but na e sa de se ka eden e kono eti ade a wo so be pa ye no e totally 100% respect this the time ma wo so be pa e kire me na de na se wanyi e wadwume no mo because wo so be 90s na be pa e be pa eti na atokwa sisi na tokwa ke se na isi no a wati me come abom no
simple.
I love it.
Jimmy person be so said, Osha reconciliation ya akosi. Is it going to lift the Christianity?
To see a be a no. Or book in Japan, no. We want to say the pressure not a bar for the beginning, no. Pressure say a conform. We want to say a soft way be one man, or more attack one more, and not way be one man, maybe do that will be night, as you are there. And Nippon one man also say. This is because of being Chekwana, the castle in the year, and the bedrooms with Papa. Let me show Emma, crown or already. It's the man you see, but say, it can't go. Eba. And you say, honorable Japan, or a lot of things to do because you bear witness, I will bear witness. Because, say, as you go to Mutumino Manoa, a man chilima, ever found the fish. Maybe I come up and say, reconciliation of Oyena. On twice when you may be in cap. Your former president mama na the TV na two suka say mama sabe mama e Jimmy for mama ya poa which is unallowed. So what I say when he's doing reconciliation so say obeti mama ya yes reconciliation when you became a father and somebody is a father we need to respect that two fathers because they are all bear the same name father. What I say you cannot do reconciliation. Now we have reconciliation. What do you mean? Some type of nano also bempa. You have also bempa from chief imam. No, you go down and beg. So what I say, Mama Tem said, "Or your boy Kwasia said, NDC for no, Mama and two of." So I don't think say Mama but Mama is somebody the honorable Japan Tem. So what I say, when honorable reconciliation here, your person Ghana, you know, on your reconciliation, Ghana. And your friend, as it is a quiet soon, your president and school for way. No, Cassa will say, and then Namadia Ghana software, and yet Emma, fine. Do that about Bonnie womb. All right, no number yet, familiar yet, not for yet, about Bonnie womb, and then one say, what quality ye, one on Tiao, Poppet and so can say, never do I on Tiasie, but the name of a what about Tiasie? That's a good 1 point. So what I say, indeed, Obiti said, your former president, you treat us for a Pasami or a Quasi or a poor. Now said, a jato baby, a Bima, or Obama was Shima of it. To Mamma is Jimmy for Emma in Ghana, Kodashia, Emma the Piatami a day, a Coswan neck, I'll bet him, I will Ghana you to meet Tim Penny for that time. I ain't Papa. It's my said, this reconciliation, oil, and go back to Gazi, Akabo. Minia Ajesaria or your classmate, I want to pop it said that was Siri pa, but in Nessun Yamia Epidano. Maybe cancer or to be back out
and why ye near also been parting ama asubia bay na se ne team ni so set na no se Ghana for na any challenges be a course no na otumi declare or clear air say obi am so fi bia me tiawa enye sana eye force sportage whatever it comes out no mo fan che honorable na nipa ho adwuma na honorable me ya I think the eni chie bi ebe brekana odwe mo say
ebe was say asama o kan no ho e especially I say be mu odru o say because me can be so ni maybe o ye no because that the day show be ban nyina no okay fine na ka first na yes John ni Jonah mosquito na ejire mu pa na no mutam e betwe mu koe na say topic we no fine secretary Japan ka say ba the platform say Mahama me ana de do atem fan body champion hallelujah
achese baba kana ye fa baba youth no are reconcile mistakes be
hallelujah
amana ye fa pa
hallelujah
because atemdie no affect Ghana
but osu be party me frɛ Mahama ni can the Japan say o say so
why not
Efa
identity
thank you
hwade bi musa na
ba tam na be party no si o ma MPP say Nyankopɔn say no be pa odidi Mahama te be ba ka kire Ghana for say Mahama on fata ekonwa Mahama le ku atames Mahama moja e wo le nsa no otie kwase nyina ye papa be pa ya kana so bia wo usi Mahama me no me no kwa na waka me nya nwa
esi tebo
eti esie no as a man of God nyame apuno ene kere ya pon so editi Mahama tem say eti esie no who are the better my friend omutu no who are the better my friend Mahama say yes he said third person to win na here first peace council for no the time that the day we course no omo adwuma ni say one be from say munja na mo na
some of the peace council some of them we don't see them as a peace council because they go with their belly food
one on the side there
they go with their belly food mama tell some chro ma only say former president ex-president Mahama oyobia oye odadin
yeah
who now who can say ya papa who spend pa e de to so a ka say nyame apono bla 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 no owie no owie no oni ko shi apostolic for them obeka aso dem no mo ye program mo invite Mahama and no me chia it did and there is a video out there and then when we go to the platform we will see it apostolic for them and I recently grano ebra ye chia papa who spend pa kwa no was it your Mahama esma hwan ama for mo be dey on be hwe no iti Mahama nyobia who spend plenty me friend obetima friend because Ghana is a high timer it said asofo ni Ghana penifo ni leaders no yehu political people no hu say make political party no me nya pa bo free sofo no irrespective of nipa bi o yebia me nya nyame ba bo free no me dey me bambo nyame bambo ani nyame anu nya no me ko we free sofo no so friend no sofo no ko mistake bi dia e yo no ni nyame ntem asem who are you to judge only way say o judge sofo so adi we kosoma ebe lifted say eba chief lema ebe ye the bigger in Africa and nobody can change that as for Ghana we go there I think that TV for go to chief lema program na obi koye okoye launching sofo but ni book no clear or the command chief lema eba omoko kasa ho ema chief lema bonfire man then from there we have a video for there are chief lema bonfire man intino adena muslim before nyina ya ba akon na na wotime keep omo leader ni na ye Ghana for Christopher leadership no ya de efin anye dra ho intine ya papa usubempa etime ma reconciliation dia mema ye be sese papa usubempa na ntumi ya reconciliation e mama and usubempa mama and usubempa after the mama and usubempa he want to make amendment with people so otumi ya reconciliation ema Ghana nyina na Ghana ni nyonya we de eba but nyonya be ba sofo it just obiam two pains here actually because honorable Kennedy Japan so or reconciliation na the ex-president awabedi ni so no to me ebi na won ka say osu me papa say Mama Kosiano that means you should go back and correct the mistakes before we move on.
Thank you. ne nyina so na wo so ayi den waka na kakra me de be push wo de
big time
because anamon na wo to pass see no
big time
chenya meduma kese na da na so 59 ne ba no
big time
because this is a time asofo ni bi itokwa wo mutam nyina no e ma na nya se we nkwa na o solve others here na ka em say please can say for ka obi na obi nya asema wo na akomo eden o meso o but o mo adwuma no mo ye ho adwuma o mo ye no so wo so be no mo for say dia ene say na wo kan ene o make sure say who say
na yama me na
because aban we take kunyo say ku for do aban we no e ya aban bi a say wo didi atem do stage bi pe e be ma bia for abefa
yeah
since ku for time na ya sa na tie mahama no mota but now no there be ero no de we are least mistake ba so na shi eti I hope say juma ke say na be pa e to ni so no
oh say
na say ona ba ke Japan ofi fa ni say we sofo ajana sare ho e ba no o kan se bebiri ho na oba obehia bempa ni na de so o kan se bebiri fine e bia betima ye nipa ni bia bi say se ke Japan na kasa no ana o pese o ko to si dinti na o pese o no bi aka bo ma ana sabio se waketia no ana sofo bi na atu na duro asofo bi na abone dua ana se owo be na eti na otwetwe sabia samka ati na bia obebe omana mana enye sanete one thing said the attack asofo no emma the election no and before omo vote et tick off totally 70%
and sure asofo tutia MPP party.
Yes, because a man MPP vote no
one for the asofo.
Yes, because of say or attack asofo. Now so for what no bebre di e attack ku no fi bebre a the members no e bedwa because ni ba na e won man mu no do na do mo wure na hye asofo mu ba na do sa ne se ka
obi ti se ko do obi ni obi ti se obofo omo kita overflow before yes. Overflow
he said what attack is happening too much the level bi a e be members no wo nipa na wo ya e bo so a na o mo abaye eti emma MP vote no etiko e eti e bia weta ba say bia kene Japan per say o mo maintain o mo seat within 2 years come election no eti o per say so I say enra ka jo say ba we unity a o be fan vice as a pastor eti enyo won say e sana kene Japan etwa ba no e sana no na so ba no so when I saw for any close
so now Obache say God bless you God bless you now Obache say can I about reconciliation no e ye fraka na tie ya papa agene sal public so chipa the former president police so three go drop sal for preach Obache sal public so preach
the vast yes of but we no so na make o
say that's
we see yeah say ba me unity a before back of the pastor as a vice
that's right
running me Muslim and Christianity
I say containing kuruma
yes
only nam kura we
e kuso fo no wa chance wo ko nya no e do obo we say how dey be so let so e Pentecost omo ba bibli
but first Pentecostal church Christ Apostolic Church
yes say how dey feel nya
I want to Pentecostal
fi buy
I want to Pentecostal
omo nya si apostolic ni ho no nya e pie fie but say ba sa na oba say ye ndi for guys there be so for pe ko nya ni dia e fa ma so for
that's right
e think na post strategy
politics one thing is say mamenka we ma etie for na for enya